We out here getting ready. We are a good, cool 30 minutes early to the West Coast Makers Black History Month market. And we are on Treasure Island, San Francisco. It's a beautiful Saturday morning on the Avenue of Palms. Semi-fit reveal. We got the yellow heart-shaped glasses, period. We got the most ethereal vibe one piece romper, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have the rainbow fluorite aventurine aquamarine. Got the waist beads. And then I got a change jacket. Ooh! Oh my God. Got another jacket in there for when it gets even colder because we are by the water. Gonna need that. Gonna need them layers. Feeling prepared today. Right, Moni?
Yeah.
Y'all, look at this bathroom.
I was checking on my phone while I'm stretching on my backbone. What's up with this timeline? Really got me into that zone. I'm in it for real. When the shit just got real. Everybody getting mad. Somebody tell me what's the deal.
Crazy. So we just got done setting up. It was chaotic. It was crazy. Okay, it wasn't that bad. But the thing is, we started inside, so we moved outside because we couldn't have the canopy up inside, and it's a big part of my display. I'll get some better video later. That we would not have been able to do indoors, or have the sign. The beautiful new banner would have not made its debut. So we moved outside, and we've been just like moving, setting up, and just getting a chance to sit down and eat now. So we're having some delicious oxtail and mac and cheese and green beans and strawberry cornbread. These are our neighbors. Say hi, neighbors. Hey. We got neighbors over there. Hey. Real reaction. Real first time reaction.
Woo! That green beans is
smacking.
the best goddamn thing.
Smacking. No. I was.
Okay, well, later I can't get out the coconut. I want to get out the coconut. Okay, but
Hey, thank you. Hello. It's live outside. Check out the inside. Okay, here we go. Is it indoors?
is not a song. It's a regulation. How to get a gone. I don't understand, baby. Pay a bill and make you try to let I can, baby. Teach you something different. Action, that's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in the baby. It's not enough. That is how I feel. West Coast, we outside. It's not enough. Come on. Solid, but it's not enough.
DJ West Coast.
Hey, yo. If you can't represent, if you're a little cold, if you're a little hot, turn up.
Let's go.
They got their wings on. They got to fly away.
Hey. What's up, y'all? If you made it to the end of the video, you rock. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to add a couple of my thoughts here at the end of the video on the Black History Month Black Business Market by West Coast Makers. Overall, I really enjoyed this event. The fee to vend was a little bit higher than I would have liked. It was in the $100 mark range, and it wasn't a kind of off-site area. Being on Treasure Island in San Francisco, you kind of have to travel across a pretty large bridge to get there, so the foot traffic wasn't exactly what I had been hoping for, or what I think a lot of the other businesses were used to. But despite that, really great vibes, awesome time. All of the other entrepreneurs and artists, owners that I met were really down to earth, really just welcoming and kind people, and I had a really great time. Like I said, I did end up making back my vendor fee for my people who are curious about that. Not too much profit otherwise, but I'm glad to have been able to network and to mingle. Like I said, that's really my favorite part of doing what I do and doing these in-person events. So thank you again so much for following the journey with Ethereal Urbana with me, Kels. I really appreciate everybody commenting and liking. Be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.